Let's try an evening shortwave scan on the HanRongDa HRD-700. Hello everyone. As promised in the unboxing and review video a while back on this HanRongDa HRD-700 AM/FM shortwave Bluetooth MP3 player radio, I'm going to try a shortwave scan and see what I can pick up, because when I did the unboxing and initial review, it was during the day, and those are not optimal conditions for shortwave. So we are going to try it. The antenna on this does not swivel. It's pretty short. It's about 11 inches. And I don't know if my long wire will reach all the way over here, so I might. Well, let's try it first before I give up. Okay, it reaches fine. So I have just a 20-foot long wire antenna that is strung around an upstairs window.
Radio.
Band. Looks like we are on shortwave 1. Start here at the bottom. See what we can come across.
¿Qué pasa con las iglesias que dicen demostraremos somos cercanos? Assim, ele achou que o European League, grupo A10,
Require that which is past. Now, in all of this morning's message, it really registered with me. We are a type. As
his wife looked back from behind and she became a pillar of salt. And Abraham got up early in the morning to the place where he stood before the Lord, and he looked upon Sodom and Gomorrah and towards all the land of Cain, and behold,
I heard Sodom and Gomorrah. That's all I heard.
Nicolai Constantine Milano. And that's it. It would be Volvate. Y se estaba grabando. Y evidentemente yo no pudiera hablar de rendición. De algo. Money here. It's more about saying, look, I was able to make a contribution. Thank you for letting me know that this even existed, because many people here probably never even knew this existed, or they're even. She just couldn't handle that much volume demand in the market, and she wished that people can start to slow things down a little bit, because she was just running around in the store.
Shortwave 2. Whoops. Got some ham radio there. Am I on shortwave too? Yeah. The little LEDs on the front tell you what shortwave band you're on. More ham. Wonders in the land of ham.
Dos selecionados das conferências episcopais europeias que se reuniram para Radio Martí presenta Historia de los Estados Unidos.
Band 3. Maybe 10 megahertz time signal. Your guess is as good as mine.
Cuando uno se lo pasa bien, el tiempo de nuestra apóstol.
Spanish speakers control the airwaves tonight. But not entirely.
Voice of Hope Africa in Zambia and IRRS Italy. Send reception reports directly to the station you're listening to. Reports for KSDA and AWR sites should go to qsl@awr.org. Os maiores levam obediência e uma conformidade.
Band 4. I'm less likely to find stuff up this high in the evening. So I'm not going to go too slowly.
Curso Escolar 2023. Boa noite, obrigado, amigão. Boa noite, Nery. Meu nome é Ailton Cândido da Silva, tá? Ailton Cândido da Silva, sou de.
Shortwave radio, having video games that are socially, that promote social awareness and also a way to learn for younger generations. The talk in many of them usual mode.
Band 6. Time signal. With something else coming through. Must be 15 megahertz. And if so, this dial is pretty accurate across the bands as far as I could tell, just based on where I found time signals. Okay. So
Reported. Furthermore, the delivery of the remaining 14 wild tanks from Germany is also planned at the end of 2023. The ministry has also rolled out the delivery of 8 Zuzana-2 howitzers. The delivery will be the last of 25.
verdict, pretty darn sensitive for a little toy-looking G.I. Joe, whatever the PLA version of G.I. Joe is. Cheap plastic radio from China. Pretty sensitive. Picking up an awful lot of stuff tonight. It's a little bit after 8 p.m., between 8 and 8:30 p.m. local time in Central Ohio. And clear conditions weather-wise, I think. This radio continues to impress me. Probably still need to do a medium wave search. I'll save that for another night. But in terms of the sound, the cool factor, and sensitivity on FM and shortwave, this gets a solid recommend buy from me. So there you go. Pick yourself up one. And I'll put the link to the initial review in the description. Thanks for watching this with me today. Hope to see you here again next time.